In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Custom Cake Walmart 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to design a cake online and preview the final look before you order. Start by heading to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation. From there, select Services. In the Services area, choose Custom Cakes. Then click Design Your Own Cake. On the cake page, select Customize Cake to open the builder where all your options are laid out in an easy step-by-step flow. Begin with size. Pick the cake size that matches your guest count and event. As a quick guide, smaller rounds work for intimate gatherings while larger sheets serve bigger groups. If you're unsure, it's better to size up so everyone gets a slice. Next, click on Flavor to open the flavor menu, then choose the flavor you want. Classic choices are usually available, and the site may list additional rotating options depending on the store. If you're accommodating allergies or preferences, double-check the description and consider a universally friendly flavor. Click on Filling, then select your filling. You can go simple or add a rich layer for extra moisture and flavor. After that, click on Icing and pick your icing type, then choose the icing color. A helpful tip here, think about contrast. If you plan to include a written message, choosing an icing color that contrasts with your lettering helps the text stand out. Also, if the cake will be outdoors or in a warm setting, consider sturdier icing options. Open the top border section, then pick a border design and color. This frames the cake nicely. You'll see a live preview update as you choose. Then open the bottom border section and select the color for the bottom edge. Keeping the top and bottom borders coordinated makes the design feel polished. Move to Decoration. Click it, then choose the decoration style you like. This could be simple piping or themed accents depending on availability. Aim for balance so the cake doesn't feel too busy. Now click on Message. Type your short greeting like Happy Birthday and double check spelling, capitalization, and any names. Keep it concise so it fits cleanly on the surface. When everything looks good, click Review. This takes you to a summary where you can see your final customized cake with all selections in one place. Carefully review size, flavor, filling, icing, and colors, borders, decorations, and the message. Make sure the preview matches your vision and that pickup details on the page align with your timeline. That's it. Your custom cake is designed and ready to go.